Chase Clavata Roadman Racing Patroy takes leader. Run by with his Euro Max. Entry number 1, Don Alejandro around the outside now. The successor then followed by Cool and Flashy. Transport number Royal King. Glowing hot while Trojan is running in a silver fielder. And inside the last 600, Euromax takes the lead. Run by with his Don Alejandro. And Bad Boy now for the outside, Successful Racing fourth. Down in 3 by 5 lengths, Cool and Flashy. Here comes Royal King. Inside the last 400, Euromax on the outside leads by half a length, followed by Don Alejandro. 2 lengths for the back now is Bad Boy. And towards the final turn, it is still Euromax leading by line and a half now. Don Alejandro is right behind in second. And nearing the finish line, it is still Euromax. And finally, Euromax, Don Alejandro, Royal King close 1, Transport number 5, Loving Hot Bad Boy.
217. Malinaw na. Nakita natin tumawid. Anyway, malalaman po natin ang